in Roundnet, we also have 3 types of servers when it comes to serving styles. We have the first type of server, a power server. This power server, just like we touched on earlier, is very decisive mindsets. They already have a predetermined serve that they are choosing, and they are loading a lot of their body mechanics into the serve by using wrist, by using their elbow, using their shoulders, using their hips. They are really testing the serve receiver's touch. The second type of server we have in Roundnet is called an ambi server. Ambi being short for ambidextrous. This is when a server can now serve with both hands, and they are more focusing on the trigger time than the power. So they are not now loading their body as much, they're decreasing a little bit of the maximum power they could get, and instead sacrificing that power for a quicker trigger time. This type of server is not testing as much the touch of the serve receiver, they're testing the footwork. Okay? So they're all about how quickly can I fake a right, hit a left, fake a left, hit a right. Because that way they're testing again the footwork of the serve receiver, not as much touch. And then finally, we have what is called a mixed server. Okay? Mixed is a server that is focusing on both power and trigger time, okay? So now they're both ambidextrous, where they can go both hands, and they're also getting a huge amount of power. This is an incredibly hard skill to do, and only the very top servers in the world manage to do both. This way, you're testing not just the footwork, not just the touch, but both the footwork and the touch of the serve receiver. This is where we see elite level servers.